Hello, welcome to UPSC PYQ Chronicles. This is the series on environment, and this is the 10th video in this series where we will be discussing all the questions which are being asked by UPSC in various examinations like CDS, NDA, Civil Service Examination, CAPF, CISF, Geoscientist, Combined SO, EPFO, CBI, ED, etc. And the topic for the day is global warming. So let's get started. Global warming is the cause for climate change. Yes, this is correct. Ozone depletion will cause global warming. This is also correct, but this is not the correct explanation for the statement 1. So option B becomes the correct answer. Which one of the following statements are correct about the deposits of methane hydrate? Global warming might trigger the release of methane gas from these deposits. Yes, this is a correct statement. Large deposits of methane hydrate are found in Arctic tundra and the seafloor. This is also correct. Methane in atmosphere oxides to carbon dioxide after a decade or two. This is also correct. So 1, 2 and 3 are the correct statements. Global warming signifies the rise in the global surface temperature. This is correct statement. The increase in the concentration of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere causes the rise in the global surface temperature. Yes, this is the reason for this. Hence, statement 1 becomes correct. What are the possible limitations of India in mitigating the global warming at the present and in the immediate future? It is the appropriate alternate technologies are not sufficiently available. Yes, this is one of the limitations. India cannot invest huge funds in research and development. Yes, this is also one of the limitations. Many developed countries have already set up their polluting industries in India. This is a wrong statement. So 1 and 2 becomes the answer. Which among the following are the effects of global warming? The Arctic ice cap shrinking, the carbon dioxide level in the sea water is rising, the atmospheric activities like storm, thundering are increasing, the sea level is rising. Yes, all the 4 are the effects of global warming. So D is the answer. Tuvalu has become a point of discussion recently. Why? Because it is a country under threat of submergence due to the ice melting and the sea level rise. In the context of which of the following do some scientists suggest the use of cirrus cloud thinning technique and the injection of the sulfate aerosols into stratosphere? It is for the reduction of the global warming. Due to their extensive rice cultivation, some regions may be contributing to the global warming. To what possible reasons is this attributed? The anaerobic conditions associated with the rice cultivation causes the emission of methane. Yes, this is a correct statement. When nitrogen-based fertilizers are used, nitrous oxide is emitted from the cultivated soil. This is also a correct statement. So, both the statements are correct here. It is reported that there is an ongoing decrease in the pH level of the ocean waters because of the global warming. It happens due to the large uptake of the carbon dioxide by the ocean waters. Which one of the following sectors is the largest contributor to the carbon dioxide emission from the fuel consumption in India? It is the electricity and heat production which contributes the highest. Global dimming means the gradual reduction in the amount of global direct irradiance at the Earth's surface. Consider the following, which can be found in the ambient atmosphere. It is the soot, sulfur hexafluoride and the water vapors. All the 3 have been found in the ambient atmosphere. In the context of mitigating the impending global warming due to anthropogenic emissions of the carbon dioxide, which of the following can be the potential sites for carbon sequestration? Abandoned and uneconomic coal seams. Yes, this is one of the potential sites for carbon sequestration. Depleted oil and gas reservoirs. This is also a potential site. Subterranean deep saline formation. Yes, this is also a potential site for carbon sequestration. So all 3 are the potential sites for carbon sequestration. You placed a car in an open parking area in a summer day. After a few hours, you notice that the heat is trapped inside the car. This phenomena is known as greenhouse effect. As compared to the natural greenhouse effect, the enhanced greenhouse effect refers to increase in average surface temperature of Earth. It's due to the anthropogenic activities. Which one of the following is related to the global dimming? The fall of temperature due to increased particulates is the reason that is related to global dimming. Which one of the following gas is not responsible for global warming? It is the nitrogen which is not responsible for global warming, whereas water vapors, chlorofluorocarbons and methanes are related to global warming. Which one of the following is the cause of long-term sea level change? It is the melting of the ice sheets which can be the cause for long-term sea level rise. The scientific view is that the increase in the global temperature should not exceed 2 degrees above the pre-industrial levels. If the global temperature increases beyond 3 degrees above the pre-industrial level, what can be the possible impact on this world? The impact could be the terrestrial biosphere tend towards the net carbon source. Yes, this can be an impact. Widespread coral mortality will occur. Yes, this is also an impact. Whereas all the global wetlands will permanently disappear. It's a very extreme statement. Cultivation of the cereals will not be possible anywhere in this world. This is also extreme statement. So 1 and 2 is the answer. Consider the following: solid waste management, natural wetlands, ruminant animals. Which of the above can cause methane emission and thus can contribute to global warming? It is all of these which these can contribute to the global warming. Methane is a very potent greenhouse gas. It is converted to carbon dioxide to ease its overall effect on global warming. This process is known as the flaring. An Inconvenient Truth is a film directed by George to promote public awareness about the global warming. Which one of the following is considered a greenhouse gas in the context of the global warming? It's the carbon dioxide. The laboratory from where carbon dioxide measurements have been taken since 1958, which forms the basis for the present global warming database, is in Mauna Loa Laboratory. Which one of the following is the cause of the long-term sea level change? It's the melting of the ice. With this, we complete all the questions on the global warming which were being asked by UPSC in various examinations. Thank you.